This video is presented by Durham County Library. Hello, I'm Miss Olivia from the Durham County Library, where I serve as a senior library assistant in the children's unit. All right, have you ever had a hankering for a certain kind of food? Yeah, I'm talking about the kind that makes you yearn for some hot sauce, something that's been smoked in a smoker all day, something that you get to wash down with some iced tea. That's right, I'm talking barbecue. And the name of my story today is called Jack and the Giant Barbecue. The author is Eric Kimmel and the illustrator is John Manders. Mr. Kimmel has written over 50 children's books. Mr. Manders has illustrated about 20 children's books. So they're very good at putting together big hits. Some may say this is a ginormous hit. Oh, when did it come out? 2012. That's good to know. All right. Some might say also that the best barbecue is Texas barbecue. You're just going to have to go down there someday to find out. So, have you guessed where this story takes place? That's right, in the big Lone Star State, way over in the West Texas part. Now, we've got the hero of the story, and his name is Jack. And he absolutely loves barbecue. And so does his pony. Loves pony. Loves the barbecue. In fact, he goes over to West Texas to get that barbecue. Oh, and when he gets there, he just keeps eating and eating and dumping more hot sauce and slurping on that tea. And his pony does too. Oh, it's so good. It's finger licking good. Well, one day, Jack gets home and says to his mom, "Mom, I love the chili and beans that you make, but couldn't you possibly once in a while make my favorite dish? And you know what it is, Mom." And Mom turns around, and she says, "Oh, Jack, just the mention of the word barbecue makes me want to cry. I can't even think about making that stuff. I mean, it makes me think of poor Daddy when I say the word barbecue. Oh, and if I were to make some barbecue, well, all I would have in front of me is a plate full of tears." You know, one day a mean big old giant came by, and he liked the barbecue that we served him, and he liked it so much that he stole Daddy's big book of secret recipes for making barbecue. And I've never seen that giant since. I've never seen that barbecue book again. And I never saw your Daddy again because he died of a broken heart. Oh, gosh. Oh, boy. Well, that did it. Jack decided he was going to vindicate his dad. He was going to get back. He was going to go look for that giant. So, everyone knows in the stories where giants live. They live way up high. Yeah. So Jack and his pony decide to go to the highest mountain they can find. Let's go! Let's go! Oh, so Jack, he finds the giant, all right. Yeah. I mean, who else do you know would walk into his old shack and say the words, fee, fi, fo, fum, a Texas boy this way has come. I smell him. I smell him. But he also meets a talking jukebox. Oh my goodness. Abandoned by the giant. These days she's got a bad case of the honky-tonk blues. Why, she can't even play Willie Nelson on one side of her record, and she can't even play Heartbreak Hotel on the other. She is so heartbroken. Well, what do you think? Maybe Jack can help her escape. And maybe Jack finds the recipe book. And maybe the giant will get a job. And maybe you'll get to read the book. And when you maybe read it, you will also find out how the big mountains of West Texas all get flattened. Well, before I go, I'm hoping that you'll sing with me a little song. I bet you know the name of it. I bet you know what it's about. Barbecue. Yeah. I wrote the words to a very familiar tune, which I hope you will sing with me right now. All right. It's called, like I said, Barbecue. Can you see it? There you go. Barbecue, barbecue. Giant took the recipes of barbecue. Barbecue, barbecue. Drink it down with sweet iced tea. Barbecue, barbecue, barbecue. Giant chased Jack and Juke down to the ground. Now Giant Jack and his mom served the best barbecue. Best barbecue. Best barbecue. And the iced tea is pretty good too. Thanks so much for coming today. I hope you come back soon.